Got me feeling right.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been an eternity since we last saw each other, but it's Sunday, the whatever fucking day it is, 16th or something. I drove down to DL because Alec told me that he got some super sick new headlights for his Tahoe. If I can get these out of here. That we're gonna try and go put in right now. But now that we have them out in the light, we get to look at these super dope new headlights built by some Japanese people with this sweet orange corner thing. But we do get switchback strips here and here for new blinkers and a LED high beam, and I don't know if that's a stock projector, but actually it looks like it probably is an aftermarket. And we're gonna replace these bad boys, and Al got a new grill because he's rich, so of course he just buys brand new everything, all black everything. As you can clearly see that he's got black wheels, everything, doesn't wash it ever in typical Alec old fashion.
This is Ashley's.
Oh yeah, it's his wife's mom mobile. We got the supercharged 8.9 liter Hemi underneath here. Does really awesome burnouts.
Woke up by your side, you said I'll never let you go, but then you did. I never knew that you would. And after all, we all grow up, but I stayed here and you don't give a fuck. You're living it up. Please just stay the same. I hate to see you change, but you think you need to find yourself out with something that's missing. I'm just kicking back. I'll wait here for you to figure out just what life is to you now. You're out there, just chasing tails. You know that I got just what you want, what you need now. Don't you need?
So we got the new headlights in, or did have them in, and we figured out, holy camera, that they kind of fit like shit. There's like, the seals are all junk, and then you'll see in the recording, there was like the DRLs, like hyper flash, and kind of like strobe, which was weird with the high beam. And then the blinkers, hyper flash, which is just a resistor. Kind of an easy fix for that, but I don't know why they like strobed. And they're just kind of poor quality, so a couple of trim pieces, and we're just gonna put the stocks back in. And this grill.
But I'll make you feel like you had never left.
love you, Ash. But we are now 100% positive that Alec spent like $1 million to get Amazon special headlights. No Chevy emblem right there. As you can see on the OEM one, we have a Chevy emblem right here. The DRLs suck. Everything else sucks. They didn't even paint 3/4 of it. They just blasted paint on one reflector, kind of painted one, kind of left it. Granted, that one is a blinker, but could have at least got a clear lens.
Hid Retrofit, awesome.
Got these garbage projectors, since these are Amazon special headlight. Literally found them on Amazon. When you pay good money for a quality OEM retrofit is what we were supposed to get, and we got nowhere near that. So OEM ones are back in, complete with the new grille. Needs a wash so it actually looks decent, but other than that, I'd say it looks pretty good.
Pretty neat.
This time you will see its comfort always coming back to me. I know it's always been me. Please just stay the same. I hate to see it change, but you think you need to find yourself out with something that's missing. I'm just kicking back.
So, conclusion for today's story is HID Retrofit sucks. But we'll see you guys later.
Alright, so as everyone knows, when we started the channel, we decided we were going to give away a free pair of Climb goggles out of the 3 pairs that we have to try and gain some followers, and just because it's fun. So we only have 63 subscribers, so I didn't go through the time to get like an actual lottery thing set up. So we just wrote everyone's name on a piece of paper. You can see in here is everyone's name on a yellow piece of paper in there. So now we're going to mix it up and we're going to draw a name. And we got Haley Jorgensen.
Nope.
That's Brady's girlfriend. She can't win.
She's not winning for sure.
We got, here's the real one. We got Ryby 238. RYBY 238.
So
we'll find out who that is.
We'll message you directly, and we'll let you know whatever pair you wanna.
Let you pick your pair of goggles.
Gonna make